Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to self-study machine learning step by step. First, build a strong foundation in mathematics. Focus on linear algebra, calculus, and probability, as these are crucial for understanding algorithms. Next, master a programming language like Python, including libraries such as NumPy and Pandas, which are essential for data manipulation. This initial phase sets you up for more complex topics. Once your foundation is solid, dive into core machine learning concepts. Begin with supervised learning, understanding algorithms like linear regression and decision trees. Then, move to unsupervised learning, exploring clustering and dimensionality reduction. Simultaneously, get hands-on with popular frameworks such as TensorFlow or PyTorch. Implementing these algorithms on small datasets will solidify your understanding and build practical skills. After mastering core concepts, advance to deep learning, focusing on neural networks, convolutional neural networks, and recurrent neural networks. The best way to learn is by doing, so start working on real-world projects. Choose projects that challenge you and allow you to apply various machine learning techniques. Consider participating in online competitions to gain experience and learn from diverse approaches. Machine learning is a rapidly evolving field, so continuous learning is vital. Regularly read research papers and follow leading experts to stay current with new algorithms and techniques. Networking with other enthusiasts and professionals can provide valuable insights and opportunities. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keep practicing and building your portfolio to achieve your goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.